Isang magandang Lunes sa inyong lahat at Merry Christmas po sa ating lahat. Ito po ang Monday, December 27, 2021 edition ng The Stock Market Today. 363 days na lang. Pasko na naman. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chidoro. Kamusta po ang ating Pasko? Sana po ay naging mapagpala at matahimik kasama po ang ating pamilya. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007, and I do this report every day, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa Shakey's at Century Foods, kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, December 27, 2021. At 5 araw na lang pala bagong taon na. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay po, so let's start with our financial headlines. At ang financial headlines po natin ay galing po sa Business World. Converge eyeing to offer lot-based home automation security. Then SPNEC starts building a 50 megawatt solar farm. Investors load up on SPNEC shares. Silipin na natin to kung ano ibig sabihin nito, no? And then Po family led company snap up Potato Corner, Ligo Sardine brands. But let's take a look at SPNEC first. Naku-curious lang po ako dito. Investors load up on SPNEC shares. Solar Philippines Nueva Ecija Corp ended up as the second most actively traded stock in the Philippine Stock Exchange from the trading week December 20 to 24 following its market debut on Friday the week before. The PSE data showed a total of 1.25 billion SPNEC shares worth 1.4 billion were traded last week. The local bourse had a half-day trading session last Friday hanggang 12 po siya in observance of the Christmas Eve. Pati po December 31 half-day din po si PSE, no? The stock closed at 115 per share on Friday, up 15% from its IPO price of 1 peso per share. So sabi po ng isang analyst, si Luis Limlingan, ultimately SPNEC performed well upon listing closing higher for several consecutive sessions. This could mean that the public debut was well received by investors and sentiment for these smaller types of issues is relatively bullish. Mercantile Securities Corp analyst Jeff Rady sees this as a pure renewable energy play. Okay, so if you were able to buy SPNEC at its IPO price, kumita na po kayo ng 15% kung nagbenta po kayo last Friday at its closing price. So now let's take a look at our main news, which is on Shakey's and SPNF. So, Po family-led company snap up Potato Corner, Ligo Sardine brands. The Po family continues to beef up its portfolio with the acquisition of popular brands Ligo Sardines and French fry purveyor Potato Corner. Shakey's Pizza Asia Ventures Inc. told the stock exchange on Friday that it is acquiring food kiosk operator Potato Corner, which is owned and founded by Jose Magsaysay Jr. Century Foods Inc. in a separate disclosure said it plans to buy the assets and intellectual property of sardine brand Ligo, which is distributed by Tung family's Atong Chinko Manufacturing Corp. Both firms did not disclose the price of their respective deals, saying an announcement will be made at a later date. Shakey's said it has signed an asset purchase agreement for the assets and intellectual property of Potato Corner, a popular chain of kiosks that sell flavored French fries. Under the deal, Shakey said it will own and operate the all company-owned Potato Corner stores without disclosing the exact number. Founded by Mr. Magsaysay in 1992, Potato Corner has grown its store network of over 1,000 outlets here and abroad. Potato Corner kiosks currently operate in 10 countries. Talaga? So, magandang acquisition po yan, and it will beef up the fundamentals of Shakey's. Now, let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange. By the way, I will be having a blog on Cafe Claus, which was inaugurated yesterday, and later on I will be posting a video on Cafe Claus, and one of its owners will be interviewed by GMA7's Audrey Carampel, which I was able to capture yesterday at the inauguration. So I'll be sharing that with you. And Cafe Claus is the first Christmas-themed cafe in the country. Meron na po sa ibang bansa, pero dito po first time po magkakaroon ng isang Christmas-themed cafe where it is Christmas every day of the year. Okay, so let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, the PSEI gained 72.94 points, 1.02% up to finish at 72.5480. Let's put up our indicators, and it's just piercing through the candlestick, indicating a sideways movement. But the green candlestick now looks promising. Our RSI is, midpoint pa rin. So, more or less sideways, no? But since our long-term indicator is under the candlestick, the black line, ay masasabi po nating sideways to bullish po ang kanyang movement, plus the RSI is slightly up by 52.51. Yung market summary naman, or market activity, 83 companies declined, 87 advanced, while 51 remained unchanged. The all-share index also gained 0.54%, up 20.70 points, while all our indicators are up except for the industrials, which lost 0.09%, almost flat. The gainers was led by the financials at 1.89%. As for the most active stocks, we will be reviewing the following, but before I get to that, let me take a look at your request. Si Raul Wahe says, ano po ang stocks ninyo? Please include ABA, BRN. Sa susunod na video nyo, ano ang masasabi nyo sa fundamentals nito? Okay, and then yung ABA tsaka BRN, wala po akong fundamentals. However, tingnan natin yung susunod na sinabi natin. Thank you, sir. Merry Christmas. Ang ganda ng fundamentals ng VLL pero di umaangat. So, we will be reviewing VLL also. Diyan ako merong fundamentals. But for ABA and BRN, wala po akong study doon. And then, good day, sir. Thanks, sir. Okay. So, we'll be reviewing ABA, VLL, and BRN. And I did a segment earlier on Cafe Claus, the first Christmas-themed cafe in the Philippines, at nagkaroon po siya ng inauguration kanina, or yesterday rather, at yung isang actor doon, si Ken Chan, ay nagbigay ng interview sa GMA7, si Audrey Carampel. I hope you watched that video. So now, let's go to our most active stocks. ABA po muna. Okay, bearish po si ABA based dito sa ating mga indicators. Kasi po, baba po, mababa po yung ating mga candlesticks at nasa taas po yung ating mga indicators indicating a bearish trend. Ganon din naman yung RSI, nasa 20 o nasa 35.26, meaning bearish po yan. Pagka umabot po yan ng 30 and below, oversold na po yung stock. Ngayon po, ang ating pinaka-support ay actually support level na po ito. Yan, nandito po yung support level sa 91 centavos. And pinaka-resistance po niya, ang tingin ko po, ang resistance po niya nandito po sa 1 peso, 102. 1 peso to 102 yung pinaka-resistance po nito. Nandyan po. Dahil meron pong nagkaroon ng support dito, yan po, no? So 102, 103, dahil nagkaroon po ng support dito sa area to, na ngayon ay naging resistance, at meron pong resistance sa area nito. Kaya po nasa 102 and 103 area po si ABA. And then VLL, si VLL naman, bearish din. So nag-taper off po siya. Ito po yung pinaka-support level area. When I talk of support and resistance, area po yan, hindi po yan exact points. 42 po yung ating RSI indicating a bearish number. Again, our RSI, or rather our exponential moving averages, are above the candlesticks. Ito po yun, indicating a bearish movement. Yan po. So in the meantime, yung support level po ni VLL ay 341. Pero maganda po ang fundamentals ni VLL, based po dito sa BDO-SEC. Ang kanyang target price ay nasa 460. So kung babatayan po natin yung closing price ngayon na 349, ay masasabi po natin about 25 to 30% yung upside po niya. Dahil based po sa study ni BDO Securities, ay 460 po ang target price or tunay na value ni VLL. And then BRN, si BRN naman ay bearish din po and ended with a doji, 80 centavos po siya, but it is 2 centavos up, ano? But hindi ko makita yung pinaka candlestick niya. Pero ito po ay nasa support level na. Yan po yung pinaka-support level niya. Nandito po sa area niyan. Yan po. Nasa 75 to 78 po yung support area ni BRN or A. Brown Company. Okay? And then RSI is also bearish. Slightly bearish at 47. So, yung trend na pong ganito, yung forma ng mga indicators po natin na ganito, bearish po yung indication yan. As opposed to this trend here, no? So, pakita lang po natin yung, yan po, yung trend po dyan. Yan po, bullish po yan. Yung trend na ganito na under the candlestick. As opposed to this, na bearish po yung trend ng stock. And then, SPNEC. Tingnan po natin si SPNEC. Kasi most active po yan. SPNEC, WLCON at saka CNPF ay yan po. Mukhang breakout po ito. Although wala po akong solid na information. But based on this, merong konting volume po dito. At biglang tumaas po yung SPNEC, ano? Tingnan natin yung 15-minute chart. So based on the 15-minute chart ay talagang from a consolidation area here, naging bullish po siya. Ito yung consolidation Tapos biglang zoom, tumaas siya. Today lang po ito. So nagkaroon ng in the first 15 minutes of trading ay nagkaroon po siya ng 6% upside. Tapos at 11:15 ay nagkaroon pa ng additional 3%. All in all, nagkaroon po ng 23 or 20% up yung stock today. So kung naka-hold pa kayo sa stock na ito, congratulations po. Dahil mukhang in contrast to Medic, ito po ay kabaliktaran, ano? Nag-appreciate yung kanyang presyo, and the market is bullish on this stock. So, balik po tayo sa one-day chart. Mukhang nag-consolidate po dito sa area nito, tapos tumaas po yan, but I wouldn't make any support and resistance yet until we have enough data on the stock. And then WLCON, so nagpipick up na po yung construction. Yan, WLCON is also bullish, and bullish to actually it is sideways to bullish po, ending at 31.95 centavos, up 3.16%, ano? Pero from the looks of it, yung short and medium ay piercing through the candlesticks lang, but yung ating 100-day exponential is bullish. Yan po ang aking assessment sa WLCON. Now, if we will be drawing a channel, more or less ganyan po ang forma niya, with a slight overshoot. Well, as far as I'm concerned, pag ganito po yung kanyang channel. Okay? So, yung pinaka-resistance po niya, more or less nasa 36 po. At yung pinaka-support level po niya ay ilagay po natin, pwede po natin ilagay sa M100. Yan po, yung pinaka-support level niya, nasa 28 to 29 po. So, that's WLCON. And then, CNPF. Ito yung nakabili, no? Ng ligo. So, moving sideways po sa CNPF, but it had a green candlestick today with volume. So, napakahalaga po nitong volume na ito dahil in the coming days ay maaring tumaas pa yung stock because malaki po ang consideration pagka meron pong volume. Kahit maliit lang po yung green candlestick niya, ito medyo malaki, no? 2.42%. Pero kahit katiting lang po yung candlestick, ay malaki po yung expectation ko pagka malaki po yung volume. So, maaring magkaroon niya ng continuation. In the meantime, ang pinaka-support po natin ay nasa M100 at ang pinaka-resistance ay nandito po sa area to. Yan po, nasa 27 po or 28 pesos ang pinaka-resistance ni CNPF. Okay, so that's our stock market report for the day. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli, Merry Christmas at Happy New Year. Thank you, God bless. Stay safe. Bye for now.